The relative strength line is an indicator that you can use to help confirm or buying decisions. Take a look at this chart from MarketSmith service. The relative strength line is the blue line on the chart and it measures the stock's price performance versus that of the Nifty 50, which is used to represent the overall market. If the relative strength line is trending down, that tells you the stock is lagging the overall market. But if it's trending higher, that means it's outperforming the market. Furthermore, if the relative strength line hits a new all-time high, that's bullish. And what's even more bullish is that the relative strength line hits a new high before the stock's price hits a new all-time high. This chart also has a relative price strength rating next to the relative strength line, which is a little different. While the relative strength line measures the stock's price performance versus the Nifty 50, the relative price strength rating measures the stock's price performance versus all other stocks in our database. With 1 being the lowest and 99 being the highest, think about these ratings like grades on an exam. A 90 or above is especially positive. The takeaway here is to buy stocks that are outperforming the market because that will increase your chances of scoring big gains. Make sure to check out marketsmithindia.com where you can find screens of stocks with relative strength lines at new highs.